Joseph, I'm going to add to my collection of insane investing ideas that you've given me, the idea that I should be buying Argentinian bonds today. Explain yourself.
Yeah, I mean, it does sound half crazy when the Argentine peso collapsed 15% yesterday, and today the government has effectively given up on trying to control dollar restrictions within the country. But that move tells us that the Argentine government really wants to protect its international reserves. It uses those reserves to pay dollar debt. And so if it's now making serious moves to protect its dollar reserves, all other things being equal, they don't want to default on this debt.
Right. And so 2 days ago, we were thinking they were willing to default, and now we think they're sending us a strong signal about their seriousness about the bonds.
Yeah, I mean, 2 days ago, or for a very long time, 13 years in fact, almost, the Argentine government has said, well, we'll never negotiate with the holdouts from our past sort of debt restructurings, even though those holdouts have effectively stopped Argentina from replenishing its dollar reserves by issuing abroad. The holdouts, investors, hedge funds, whoever, have been able to get injunctions effectively to stop Argentina issuing abroad. That's a big problem. But the panic we're seeing now effectively argues for Argentina sitting down and making a deal.
Willingness is not everything, though. Argentina is still in a precarious enough situation that it could default. So even with the best intentions, surely a holder of its bonds is bearing pretty considerable risk.
You have to ask yourself.
Are you speechless, Joseph?
Yeah, almost. Well, I mean, this is you do have to accept when you're investing in Argentina, you're investing in crazy town. But that's actually kind of part of the attraction. Argentina does not move like any other sovereign or any other kind of economy. At a time when emerging markets in general are pretty much moving on Fed tapering. Argentina is very different, and the upside to a change in government policy is quite big. You just have to kind of look through the currency carnage, which is kind of coming this way. And you had to bear in mind there are only 4 sovereigns in the world who sort of pay more than 10% to issue debt, and that includes Argentina alongside Venezuela and a couple of other genuinely crazy sovereigns. So it's very unique in that sense, and it shouldn't really be paying double digits, even given the risk here.
So it's an opportunity for investors with an iron stomach.
Yeah, but I mean, that is traditional emerging market bond investing. People have just kind of gotten complacent over the years. I mean, this is what it really does mean to invest in emerging markets.
Thanks very much.